Hello friends, today we will discuss about which 9 foods should be avoided in obesity. Obesity leads to various diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. So it is better to avoid these 9 foods to protect you against obesity and various diseases caused by obesity. I welcome you on Dr. PM English channel. I request you to subscribe this channel and like and share this video because we share authentic and scientific information on the channel. Watch this video till the end so that you will not miss important information. So friends, around majority of the population in world is now suffering from obesity, and obesity is a leading cause of various lifestyle diseases like diabetes, high BP, high cholesterol. So it is always better to keep your weight in check, and if you already have obesity, you should avoid eating these 9 foods so that your weight will not increase and it will help to reduce your excess weight. So what is the first food? First food is potato. Potatoes contain large amount of carbohydrates, and carbohydrates increases blood sugar levels. These increased sugar levels are deposited as fat in your body, so it is always better to avoid potatoes if you have excess weight. The next food is rice, white rice. So this white rice is a refined carbohydrate, and when you eat white rice, it is quickly absorbed and the sugar levels in your blood increase dramatically. So to counter these sugar levels, insulin levels also increase, and over the period of time insulin resistance is seen in your body. Also, because of the insulin resistance, diabetes develops, and this excess sugar in the blood is deposited as fat around our belly and your weight increases. So it is always better to avoid consumption of white rice. Some people say that brown rice is better than white rice. But friends, even though in brown rice the contents of fiber are more compared to the white rice, it contains large carbohydrates, around 70 to 75% of the carbohydrates. So it is also not better if you have excess weight. The third food item is junk food and fast food. So you should avoid eating junk foods and fast food like pizza, burger, french fries, because all the junk and fast food contains large amount of trans fat and saturated fats. It also has added salt and sugar. So this is not good for your health. So it is better to avoid junk and fast food. You also should avoid processed and packed foods. So bakery products like bread, pastry, cake, all these bakery products contains large amount of sugar, large amount of salt, and this added sugar, added salt increases your body weight. So it is better to avoid packed and processed foods. You should also avoid excess sweets, because if you eat sweets in excess amounts, this increases the sugar in your blood, and this sugar deposited as fat in your body. So it is better to avoid sugars, because this table sugar contains large amount of empty calories. These empty calories don't have any nutrition. It increases the blood sugar levels and it is deposited as fat in your body. So it is better to avoid sugars as far as possible. You can replace sugar with the figs, dates and raisins. You should avoid the foods which are deep fried. Deep fried foods contains large amount of the trans fats and that are not good for the health. You should also avoid the saturated fats like dalda, margarine. You should also avoid the excess consumption of alcohol, because alcohol contains large amount of empty calories and this leads to the deposition of fat in your body. You should also avoid consumption of the red meat, because red meat also is seen as causative factor for obesity. Instead of red meat, you can take white egg, fish. Fish should be grilled or steamed. It should not be fried. You can also take chicken. Now the last and most important point is that you should also avoid consumption of the wheat, because it contains large percentage of the carbohydrates, and if you continuously eat wheat roti in the morning, in evening, it will eventually increase your weight, and this will further lead to various diseases. Now many people will argue with that we have a staple diet as a wheat and rice. So what we should eat instead of wheat and rice? There are hundreds of things we can eat instead of wheat and rice. At least you should reduce the consumption of the wheat and rice, and there is also good alternative to this. You can use the dal millet roti. Okay, this dal millet roti is prepared by 25% millets and 75% of the dals. Okay, if you have taken 1 kg of the millets like jowar, bajra or ragi, you should take 3 kgs of the pulses, legumes. Okay, so these pulses you can take green gram 1 kg, you can take black gram 1 kg, you can take other like chauli dal, arhar dal 1 kg. So 3 kg dals and 1 kg millets. Use this flour to make the dal millet roti, and this roti will contains adequate amount of proteins, carbohydrates and fats. It also contains large amounts of the fiber, nutrients. So this dal millet roti will help you to keep full throughout the day. Your food cravings will decrease and you will feel healthy. Your excess weight will lose over a period of time. Friends, for losing weight you can also follow the intermittent fasting. In intermittent fasting, the eating window is of 8 hours and fasting window is of 16 hours. If you took your breakfast at 10 am in the morning, take lunch at 1 pm and take your dinner before 6 pm. So this intermittent fasting will also help you to lose weight. The other bonus tip I will give in this video is that you should drink half liter of water, that is 2 glasses of water before lunch or dinner. You should also consume less calories what is required you for the day. If your requirement for the day is 2000 calories, you should eat only 1700 calories. So this is called as calorie deficit diet. So friends, I have told you many things that you should avoid. So many people will ask that then what should we eat? So you can eat large amount of vegetables, large amount of fruits. You can also eat seeds, nuts. You can also take pulses, legumes, sprouts. You can take dairy products like curd, paneer. You can also consume soya chunks, tofu. At the same time, you can consume also white egg, poultry, fish, which should be steamed or grilled, not fried. So all the healthy natural items can be consumed safely, and it is always better to avoid packed and processed food. This will help you to reduce weight and to avoid diseases caused by obesity. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much.